Folks, welcome back. I got the 3.5 Yamaha here. You can see it's full of dust. It's leaking fuel. Its fuel pump here is broken, so I'm going to bypass it with a scooter fuel pump. Or not fuel pump, fuel filter. And it doesn't start. So if you can see, if I want to start it, this gas, I think it is air cooled, so we don't have to worry about that. So we'll get into. There's a hornet's nest in here. I'm quickly going to remove this. The two front bolts that are a bit shorter, and the back ones. I see the back ones where the washers is sitting here. There's the knees. Yes. The two long bolts on the back, two short ones in front. I was using the impact road too. I'm not talking them, just before they bite. Stop. Now I'm just talking them with hand. So we're removing the spark plug to check if it. So it makes sparks. As you can see, we're busy loosening the carburetor bolts. Let's loosen this throttle cable. This is the muffler. That's not necessary. No. Now I will remove the sides here. The other bolts are already loosened on the other side of the car. So we just have this bolt to loosen. This one is stubborn. It's the carb. So I'm removing the bolts that hold the bolt up. I just want to remove this bowl. All this fuel smells very old. It's very dirty. I will clean everything. Just scrubbing the outside of the carb so it looks a little bit better. It cleans up very nicely. So I've loosened this bolt here. Let's look if it's clean here. Okay, there's the spring. It's very dirty inside here. I'll have some quick start. You see all the junk's coming out of there. Put the spring back in and the bolt. I'll torque this down. See if this jet is blocked. It looks like a little bit in there. Okay, so I've cleaned the carb everywhere. I will assemble it again. So align this with that. And then you got 3 bolts here. Okay, this is the last screw. We're tightening now. So you can see the carb's very clean. It looks a lot better than it has before. Just taste if it runs. It's not very good for engine, but I have some quick start here. My choke is on. How's life? So everything works. Going to hook the fuel 6mm tube, cut it the right length. This is the insert on the car. I put a cable tie. So let's just put it in here. We inserted the fuel line. Here's a new fuel filter. Arrow here shows what direction of flow. Push this in. I think that's fine. We're going to cable tie fuel line to the fuel filter, so it will never come loose or leak. Then you cut the tag end off. We're going to take the old piece out of the fuel tank. Yo, it sits. Got the right length here. Cut it with this ugly blue scissors. We put it on here. But if you twist it and it goes on. Put a cable tie on that side too. I'm going to assemble it again. We're going to assemble the front piece again with the chokers on. Just hold this for me, please. Okay. Okay, this is a choke button. I'm just going to check if it works. Yes. Here's some fuel. Gas to stroke in. Okay, the choke is on. The race is lowest. So it is warm up now. You run a few minutes. I'm going to see if it don't feel start or something when I rev it up. Got a so we almost done assembling it. We'll quickly wash it so it looks a little bit better.